We at Vaksha always take pride in developing aspiring students or food enthusiasts who wants to come and experience our culinary extravaganza. When you come here, we are going to take you through Indian cuisine and food culture. As you know, Indian cuisine and food culture, it's vast and so much to learn. I am sure when you come here, you are going to interact with my talented faculty who have rich vast experience in their own domain. Now, it is going to be fun and you are going to really enjoy and you are going to experience something unique in what is all about Indian cuisine. Cooking is not only about making dish and presenting in a very fancy manner. It is also going to give insight you to learn what is science behind it. Okay, how do each and every ingredients react to it when you do different kind of cooking techniques. And also it is going to give you awareness about what is balanced meal. To stay fit, we need to have proper diet. So, our program will primarily focus on talking about understanding of Indian cuisine and also going to take you through understand what are the different cooking techniques we use in Indian cooking and what is the role of spices and the locally available ingredients. And also today we think about local cuisine in global way, we call it as a glocal. Okay, how you are going to see contemporary thing which is within Indian cuisine evolved across the globe. So, I take this opportunity to wish you all the very best and also looking forward to seeing you in our campus. I am sure each and every one of you going to enjoy our cooking program and you are going to have a great fun and more interactive session, and looking forward to seeing you all at Manipal Academy of Higher Education and Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration. Thank you so much.